Contrastech large area camera covers 12 MP 150 MP pixels, which can meet the requirements of high resolution and high frame rate. Equipped with fan or TEC cooling models to meet various imaging requirements. Contrastech large area scan camera can adjust parameters automatically or manually. It supports software trigger/hardware trigger/free running and other modes. It is compatible with GigE Vision Protocol and Gen iCam standard, and provides SDK development kit, supports third-party software. The camera has a built-in FFC function, which effectively eliminates the problem of non-uniform external fill light or dark angle caused by the lens, and maximizes the uniformity of image quality. Large area scan cameras are widely used and are often used in wafer inspection in the semiconductor industry. Other applications include AOI testing, PCB defect detection, railway catenary inspection, electronic product testing, semiconductor inspection, and printing inspection, etc.